I set my own Rivaj. Now, this is a tagline a lot of us have been hearing over the past couple of weeks. And I must say, I love the new advertisement and the thought behind it. It is so empowering. It is that boost of encouragement that we all needed to be reminded that वाकई हम किसी से कम नहीं. Now, Rivaj is a household name in Pakistan. We are all very familiar with the great quality products that they have been providing us over the years. चाहे वो उनकी beauty line हो, skin care हो, उनकी fragrances हो. They're all absolutely fabulous. And today, Rivaj has been kind enough to send me this beautiful gift box with some of my favorite Rivaj goodies in here. One I'm particularly excited about, which is the highlighter glowing palette. Have a look. It is so beautiful, and it's extremely pigmented as well as extremely glittery. Now, with this new campaign, Rivaj is basically giving its brand a new identity about, about change, about the fact that women are now stepping out of the mold that society has dictated for them. And yeah, time to set free and set your own Rivaj, basically. Now, with this new branding, Rivaj is catering to the women of today as well as the consumers of tomorrow, and they're helping create that change. Because let's face it, many of us have questioned the fact that why are women told what to do, what to study, where to go, how to live their life, every step of the way. लेकिन अब चीज़ें बदल रही हैं. More and more girls are living their dreams, living their life on their own terms, getting the education they deserve. So it's time to set free. It's time to set your own Rivaj. I have set my own Rivaj, and I hope you have too.